Hi everybody! If you're still wondering about what gifts to give this Christmas, then let me welcome you to part 2 of my holiday gift basket ideas video. Click to see part 1 where I made a coffee lover's basket, a movie night basket, and a family game night pack. So yeah, you'll want to go ahead and check that out. The self-care basket. Now this has a few spa essentials like your loofahs, body lotions and scrubs, eye masks, and a few bath bombs. This is for a smaller basket, but if you have a larger one, by all means, go for the full-size beauty items, plus your candles, massagers, all the fun stuff. I wanted to keep the items in this basket pastel, so I went with lavender and pink. For a small basket, I like the way it turned out. Very cute, very feminine. Now the sweet tooth basket can go so many different ways. You can do this with baked goods, your cookies and cakes, gourmet chocolates, candy apples, all kinds of sweets. Today I'm just using gumballs, classic lollipops, and Smarties. Using the Smarties as part of the filling is going to help the other things not move around so much in the basket. And you can put pretty much anything in a mason jar, just tie a bow around it, and boom, you've got a gift. So the gumball jar is the focal point of this basket, and the lollipops are an extra decorative treat. It's bright, it's colorful, and it makes a great quick gift. So for the bookworm in your life, purchase 2 or 3 books. I'm adding these 2 very nicely bound classics from Barnes & Noble. Also, I have an extra large mug, some hot cocoa mix, got some mini marshmallows back there, chocolates, and some floral accents. I'm placing these on a tray instead of in a basket, and my goal here was to sort of make it look like it's already a piece of your home. Like you can just sit this tray on your side table and you have an instant little reading nook in your home. And you can also add things like a novelty bookmark, a reading light, or a pair of small bookends to really spruce this up. And you can also do this with children's books. Just add a stuffed animal to make this a really cute baby shower gift. One of the benefits of making your own gift baskets is that you can really customize them according to a person's interest. Plus, most of your basket supplies and even some of your gifts can be found at your local dollar store, so very affordable. So hey, leave me your suggestions for gift basket themes in the comments, and I'll try to create a few of them in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time.